Hi, this is Vicki, and this is the word pronunciation video for the National Geographic Farm Animals book. You ready? Our first word is after. After. Animal. Animal. At once. At once. Babies. Babies. Before. Before. Birds. Birds. Black. Black. Called. Called. Chicken. Chicken. Chicks. Chicks. Colors. Colors. Cow. Cow. Daddy. Daddy. Day. Day. Drink. Drink. Eat. Eat. Eggs. Eggs. Enough. Enough. Farm. Farm. Fast. Fast. Feathers. Feathers. Fill. Fill. Find. Find. Food. Food. Give. Give. Glasses. Glasses. Grass. Grass. Group. Group. Grow. Grow. Guess what? Guess what? Hair. Hair. Hatch. Hatch. Hen. Hen. Herd. Herd. Horses. Horse. Lay. Lay. Learn about. Learn about. Long. Long. Look. Look. Lots. Lots. Make. Make. Many. Many. Milk. Milk. Mommy. Mommy. Nose. Nose. One. One. People. People. Piglet. Piglet. Pig. Pig. Pink. Pink. Ride. Ride. Rooster. Rooster. Run. Run. Shave. Shave. Shearing. Shearing. Sheep. Sheep. Sleep. Sleep. Snout. Snout. Standing up. Standing up. Sweaters. Sweaters. Udders. Udders. Use. Use. White. White. Wool. Wool. Thank you.